Tutu going to do? It carries freight. Watch out! Dodge it! Oh, the goods fell into the river. Tutu, go to pick up the goods. He comes to the river and stretch out the wheel to block them. Look, the goods are floating down. Alas, he can't reach them. Goods float away. Tutu seems to find something. Huh? Branches? Got it. We can stop the goods with branches. Tutu takes the branch quickly. Throw it into the river. Hope he can succeed. Oh, he failed. Huh? Bus, do you want to block them with the stone? Come on, push it! Push the stone into the river. Goods float down. Hope he can succeed. Yeah! Goods are blocked! But Tutu still can't reach it. Wolfoo, wake up! Tutu needs your help. It can't reach the goods in the river. Go to have a look. Wolfoo arrived. Wolfoo, please hook the boxes. No problem. Wolfoo, come on. Yeah, boxes are hooked up by Wolfoo. Bus is watering the flower. Wolfoo comes to the river for collecting water. Be careful, Wolfoo. No, Wolfoo fell into the river. Don't worry, we will help you right away. Tutu stretches the wheel to stop Wolfoo. Look, Wolfoo floats down. Oh, Tutu can't reach him. Hey, a stone! Bus, hurry up and go to help it. Push the stone into the river. Come on! Tutu finds another stone aside. Go to push it into the river. Tutu prepared, ready to push it. It's done! Tutu is great! Oh, Wolfoo floats here. Wolfoo is stuck. He tried to swim ashore, but he failed. Look, Tutu throws a rope. Wolfoo holds the rope. Bus, Tutu, are you ready? Let's pull Wolfoo out! Whoa! Wolfoo comes out! But Wolfoo got a cold. Go back for treatment. Hey! Why does Bus stop? There is a wooden bridge ahead. Wow, it's high. Bus, please be careful. Bus suddenly breaks. What happened? Watch out! It collapsed. Bus, don't worry. Now back up. Bus can't go over it. What to do? Wolfoo! Bus Buzz needs your help! Robot, get on! Set out with Tutu! Arrived! Don't worry, they'll fix the bridge soon. Wolfoo, go to take a look. Wolfoo checks on the bridge. Oh no! It breaks again! Luckily, Wolfoo hung on it. Come on! Oh! Wolfoo comes up! Good job! Wolfoo knocks the plate off. Robot lifts the new one. Put it on. Good job. Wolfoo also hooks up the plate. Put it on. It's solid. Robot lifts another one. Put it well. It's the last one. Leave it to Wolfoo. Put it on. Done! Buzz, you can go across now. Buzz is still afraid. Wolfoo and Tutu go first. Here they come. Buzz, it's safe. Don't worry. Buzz is ready to go. He stretches out the wheel for a try. Go, Buzz! Wow, he came safely. Wolfoo is driving on the road. Why does he stop? There is a shabby bridge. Wolfoo tries to drive across the bridge. Oh no! Wolfoo fell down. It's high. How do I get up? Wolfoo stands up. He tries to climb through the wall. Wolfoo, come on! Oh, it's too slippery. Wolfoo can't climb up. He is trapped. Tutu, go to help Wolfoo. Buzz, go to help him. Wolfoo, don't worry. Tutu and Buzz is coming. Tutu and Buzz came. Wow, it's too high. What should we do? Tutu, find a way. Got it. We can put a rope on Wolfoo, then pull him up. First step, let's build a rack. Little red, little blue. Go with them. Little red lifts the left. Little blue lifts the right. Install the rack here. Buzz, put on the rollers on. What's the noise? Whoa, dangerous! Robot goes to set the plates. Done! Help Wolfoo to tie the rope. Buzz, Tutu, are you ready? Go! Wolfoo comes up. Go to a safe place now. Wolfoo is saved. Good. Buzz, you are next to the cliff. Be careful. Watch out! Falling rocks! Buzz, brake now! there rocks here? No! Oh! Bus is buried under a rock. It can't get out. Wolfoo! Tutu! Rush to help him! Let's go! Arrived. Bus! Don't worry. We are coming. Wolfoo! Move the rocks. Little Red, Little Blue, go to help. Lift a big rock. Put it beside the trunk. Good job. Tutu, it's your turn. Tutu also tries to move a big rock. Oh no! The loose rocks on the hilltop hit Buzz! Wolfoo! Please find a way! Got it! We can get a shed to block the rocks. Tutu, set up the pole. Put up the shed. Little Red and Little Blue, clean the rocks. Little Red, come on! Little Blue, go for it! Look, rocks is falling! Wolfoo, let's begin! Raise the roof! Wow, rocks are rolling down! It's Tutu's turn! It throws the rocks off one by one. Robots, come down to help! Move the shed. Bus, go to grab Wolfoo's bucket. Wolfoo, come on! Yeah! Bus is saved! That's great! Wolfoo and Tutu want to play hide and seek. Tutu is the seeker. 10, 9, 8, 7. Bus! Wolfoo! Hurry to hide yourself! Wolfoo comes to the base. Huh? Second floor? Wolfoo hides itself under the deck of the second floor. Be careful! Bus, hide yourself quickly! Bus wants you to hide here. Oh, the back of Bus is exposed. Bus, you can't hide here. Change a place. 6, 5, 4. What to do? Bus can't find a place. 3, 2, 1. Tutu, go to seek them. Huh? Bus, you need to hide yourself. Ah! 10, 9, 8, 7. Where to hide Bus? Bus, Haystack can't hide you. Come out. Bus comes to the dyeing shop. Bus is dyed yellow. How does that happen? 5, 4, 3. Bus, hide yourself! Oh, the color of the wall is the same as Bus. Hide here. 2, 1. Begin to seek. Will they hide here? No. Are they in the haystack? Neither. Keep seeking. Tutu doesn't see Bus. to the base. Wolfoo is found. Ah! You are so fast! Go to find Bus. Where does Bus hide? Huh? Some sound is over there. Go! It seems to be Bus. Bus is found. Look! Wolfoo is taking a nap. No! Something is falling from the second floor. Oh, it hits Wolfoo. Wolfoo seems to be out of control. He crashes into the cake shelf. Oh no! Wolfoo is colored confusedly. Tutu is also napping. Tutu, rush to take a look. Oh! Wolfoo is in an accident. What happened? The bucket is also broken. Tutu, take Wolfoo to die. Let's die right here. Tutu, turn on the dyeing machine. Start to dye. Look, Wolfoo is turning to be red. Turn it off. Let him come down. However, the bucket is still broken. What to do? Tutu, please go to help Wolfoo. Take Wolfoo to repair. Arrived at the repair shop. Clean up the clutter. Tutu. Then, move the shelf. Raise the platform. Tutu wants to repair Wolfoo, but it can't reach him. What to do now? Hey, there is a mechanical arm. Tutu gets the arm. Begin to repair. Remove the broken bucket. Tutu, please take a new one. Here is the bucket. Put it on Wolfoo. Bucket is repaired. Tutu did a good job. Wolfoo can leave. Bus and Tutu are playing football. They enjoy themselves. Oh! The football fell into the grass. Bus is sad. Tutu decides to find it. Tutu is looking around. Then it climbs to the top. Shake the grass. A volleyball fell out. Shake again. Oh, a Coke bottle. Shake again. Oh, lots of garbage. Tutu kicks them away. Almost hit Bus. Shake again. Wow, a golden seed. Bus comes. He touches the seed. What kind of seed is it? Wolfoo is driving on the road. Hey, Wolfoo! Wolfoo heard Bus go to take a look. Wolfoo also comes. He's going to dig a pit. Done! Bus pushed the golden seed into the pit. It's done! Then Wolfoo fills the pit. Tutu transforms into a fire truck. Start watering the pit. Bus compacts the soil. Drive across the pit to make it compacted. Oh! The golden seed is sprouting. It grows into a big tree. Bus shouted, "Help! Help!" Tutu comes. Don't worry, Bus. I'm coming. Tutu raised the ladder. But he can't reach Bus. Tutu tries to pull down Bus with a rope. Tutu, throw out the rope. Okay, Tutu, go for it. Come on. The tree is bent. Bus is thrown into the river. Wow! Bus is saved! Look! Wolfoo is walking on the street. Huh? What is Wolfoo looking for? Oh! There is a water pistol. Wolfoo is thinking of what can be done with it. Wow! Bus and Tutu is playing football. Got it! He can cool them down with the water pistol. Take it! Wolfoo is going to cool them by surprise. Oh no! Isn't that a water pistol? Try again. No! It's a frozen pistol. Tutu and Bus are frozen. Wolfoo did it, but he is not on purpose. Wolfoo needs to help Tutu and Bus. Wolfoo, do you have an idea? We can melt the ice with the sun. Wolfoo, it's a good idea. Oh no, the sun is covered by dark cloud. Bus and Tutu can't get the sunlight. Wolfoo wants to put them under the sun. But he is not strong enough. Huh? Football! Wolfoo got an idea! Hook the football! 1, 2, 3! Wow! Look! The ice is cracked a little. Wolfoo finds a new way. It tries to cut the ice with its bucket. Wow! Bus is saved. Wolfoo also needs to help Tutu. Done! Wolfoo, you are brilliant! Look! Wolfoo is sleeping deeply. Oh? What happened to Bus? It is too hungry to stand up. Wolfoo! Wolfoo, wake up! Wolfoo, I'm so hungry. Could you take some food for me? Wolfoo has several cakes here. But which cake will he take to Bus? There are cream cake, blueberry cake, mango cake, and strawberry cake. Take the cream cake to Bus. Go to deliver the cake to Bus. Wow, the sun is strong. The cake is melting gradually. Whoa! Go back to get another one. Arrived! Put the melted cake to the shelf. Take another one. The blueberry cake. Wolfoo, be quicker this time. Otherwise, the cake will melt again. Oh no! The cake fell on the ground. Luckily, Wolfoo is well. But the cake is no longer edible. Go back again. Put back the broken cake. What to do now? Wolfoo, find a way. Oh! Wolfoo got an idea! Hurry up! Bus is very hungry now. Take a mango cake this time. Look! The sun is still strong. But the cake is shaded by the bucket. Let's go! Wolfoo is delivering the cake carefully. Bus, cake is coming soon. Wolfoo arrived. Put the cake on the ground. Bus, please eat the cake. Wow, Bus is energetic again.